Hey there, guys. And what we're going to be talking about today is the Bonide 238 shotgun Repels-All animal repellent. Okay? Yeah, this is the all animal repellent. And okay, well, I got this probably about maybe 5 years ago because I was trying to fix up my lawn in the backyard because it was damaged and it had several problems. And I learned that, throughout the time here, I mean, you look out in the backyard and you see several different types of animals going through my yard. I live in a very rural area, like, on the outskirts of town, back up in the hills, I mean, it's not like a farm or anything like that, but it's up in the hills where there are animals all over the place, literally, I've seen raccoons, rabbits, squirrels, gophers, even skunks. There is a deer sign, like I haven't seen any deers yet, sign like crossing near a couple streets down from where I live. There are a lot of like little wild animals that, stroll through. I learned that the animals pee can destroy your lawn, so I was trying to figure out a way to keep particularly the rabbits from coming into my lawn. That's what I saw the most. Rabbits, and actually rabbits and gophers. So I put up a little fence. I had a fence up, but it was like just a gate where you can just climb through if you were a little animal. And I put up a little short, little tinier fence that I had small, little tiny holes in it, just enough so they couldn't get in. But lo and behold, they still found their way in. Sneaky little guys. I mean, they're really tricky about getting into where there's an area for them to, graze on grass and stuff, So after trial and error of all kinds of different ways of trying to keep them out, I found this product at the local store here, and it repels just about every animal that you could think of that might be coming through your yard. I mean, besides like a mountain lion or a bear or something like that. I don't know what it would do to that, and it actually worked. It did. What it does is you spray it around the whole yard, and you spray it really good, thoroughly. And when you get it, it's ready to use, and it repels all kinds of different animals. Armadillos, even beavers, birds, crows, chipmunks, deers, groundhogs, mice, all kind of things, everything. The only thing is, it only lasts up to 2 months before you have to do it again. And how it works is, what happens is when the animal actually either touches it, tastes it, or smells it, like if it gets in his nose or in his mouth or anything like that, it gives a slight burn to his nose or mouth and triggers a natural reaction in the animal to flee and run and get away from there. It's just their natural reaction to that kind of irritation. It works. It really does. I mean, once I sprayed it, the next day I saw a few animals, but the following day after that, I didn't see any animals around there. You don't see anything. Now, I was very happy about that. But this is the deal. When you spray this down, it has an odor. It has a very strong odor. Don't make the mistake of somehow spraying it accidentally in your house or anything like that, because it does not smell good, not at all. It kind of has a fertilizer smell. You know, if you smelled fertilizer before, it's pretty strong. It kind of smells like that. It dissipates after a while. It makes it so it will, you know, not stay really strong on in the air for very long, but it will dissipate, and it only lasts for 2 months. You only have to do it once and then do it again after 2 months is gone. But it really works, and it got rid of all the little rabbits. My lawn's looking good now. I just keep a bottle just in case they come back. Yeah, works very well. I like it. All right, well, this is the Bonide 238 shotgun Repels-All animal repellent. Yeah, okay, gets rid of all these kind of animals. Okay, guys, well, I hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.